Thank you for joining us. We're back with daily market updates over reporting season, where we aim to set you up for the trading session ahead. We'll cover global markets, the latest Bell Potter research, and analyst expectations for listed companies that are reporting their financial results each day. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct, and today is Tuesday, the 10th of February. Now, overnight, we saw yet another tech-driven rally. US equities closed higher with artificial intelligence in focus ahead of the release of economic data that will help shape the Fed's outlook. At the time of recording, the Dow Jones is up 0.04%, the S&P 500 up 0.5%, while the Nasdaq has reached a gain of 0.93%. The S&P 500 Software Services Index has gained, shares of service up almost 3%, while Salesforce and CrowdStrike gained 1.2% and 3.1% respectively. In other economic news this week, investors will also be monitoring the January non-farm payrolls report that's out on Wednesday, which was delayed by a partial US government shutdown, and the much anticipated January consumer price index that's out on Friday. As for what to watch today, well, following US equities overnight, the Australian market is set to rise 0.35% at the open this morning. That's according to the SPI futures. In Bell Potter's latest research, the broker has lowered their price target on Sonic Healthcare, cautioning ahead of the H1 results that are set to be released on the 19th. However, have maintained their buy rating, noting the primary growth driver should be the acquired growth of the pathology business, and that while their EBITDA estimate is in line with consensus, their margins are higher than consensus due to a lower revenue estimate. Bell Potter also released a buy rating on REA Group and lowered their 12-month price target to $211. The current share price is $168.10. That implies 25.5% share price growth in a year. Now, so far this reporting season, 13 companies have reported results, with 3 beating analysts' expectations, 5 are in line with expectations, and 5 have missed expectations. Today, Amotiv and Computershare are set to report. And gold has topped $5,000 an ounce, and the US dollar has fallen. Oil is up to $64.29. US President Trump struck optimism over the negotiations with Iran regarding a potential deal on diffusing Iran's uranium enrichment capacities. Now, oil prices have soared in previous weeks after the escalating tensions between both countries that drove markets to consider the risk of the US enforcing sanctions on Iran oil to a greater extent. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. I hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.